Living in Frederick, Maryland, means enjoying beautiful scenery, charming neighborhoods, and a range of weather throughout the year. But with those seasonal changes, homeowners often run into window issues that can affect comfort, safety, and energy bills. Here are some of the most common window problems in Frederick, along with practical tips on how to fix them. Drafty windows. Cold winter winds and hot summer temperatures can reveal drafty windows in your home. Drafts usually happen because of worn weather stripping, gaps, or poor seals around the frame. You might notice cold air seeping through or higher heating and cooling costs. How to fix it? Check your windows for any visible gaps or damaged seals. Replacing worn-out weather stripping is usually a simple and affordable fix. For bigger gaps, caulking around the frame can help block outside air. If the draft persists, it may be time to consider a professional window replacement. Foggy or cloudy glass. Double pane or triple pane windows are common in Frederick, but they can develop a cloudy look over time. This happens when the seal between the panes fails, letting moisture collect inside the glass. How to fix it? Unfortunately, you can't clean between the panes yourself. You may need to replace the insulated glass unit, IGU, or the entire window sash. If the window is older or repeatedly fogging, replacing the whole window is often the better investment for long-term energy efficiency. Windows that won't open or close properly. Sticky or jammed windows are a frequent complaint, especially in older Frederick homes. Wooden windows can swell from moisture, while tracks in vinyl or aluminum windows can become clogged with dirt and debris. How to fix it? First, clean the window tracks thoroughly. Lubricate moving parts with a silicone-based spray to keep them sliding smoothly. If the window is warped or swollen, you may need to sand or plane down the frame slightly to get a better fit. Severe warping may require a full replacement. Condensation on the interior. During cold Frederick winters, you might see condensation forming on the inside of your windows. This usually means there's too much humidity indoors or your windows aren't insulating well enough. How to fix it? Run a dehumidifier to reduce moisture levels in your home, or use your bathroom and kitchen fans regularly. If the condensation is extreme or leads to mold around the window, your window's insulation value may be too low, and upgrading to better insulated windows could be a smart move. Broken or cracked glass. Whether from a stray baseball, a storm, or an accident, broken glass is a safety and security risk that needs quick attention. How to fix it? For a small crack, temporary tape can prevent the damage from spreading until you can replace the glass. However, any broken window should be professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible to keep your home safe and weatherproof. Rotting or deteriorating frames. Frederick's rainy springs and humid summers can be tough on wooden window frames. Moisture can cause rot, leading to structural weakness and even pest issues. How to fix it? Small areas of rot can be cleaned out and filled with wood filler or epoxy, then painted to seal against further damage. If the frame is badly decayed, replacing the entire window frame is the safest choice. Final thought: Frederick homeowners can stay ahead of window problems by doing regular inspections, sealing gaps, and addressing damage early. But if your windows are outdated or no longer working well, replacing them might be the most cost-effective way to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and the overall look of your home. When in doubt, call a local window professional to inspect and recommend the best solution, so you can keep your home in Frederick comfortable all year long.